Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create flow in ManyChat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first, go to your account and then just click on Automation here at the left side. And then just need to click on New Automation. And from here, you can either select one of the templates here or you can just start from scratch. So I'll just start from scratch, and then before we do the flow, I'm going to tell you what kind of flow we're going to do, so you can understand how to build your own flow. So I'm going to build a basic one, which has a trigger where if a user messages me, then my chat will immediately message them back. Okay, so I'm just going to add a trigger and then choose Instagram and then user sends a message. Now from here, you can either select detect specific words in that message that you're going to send, or you can just use AI to recognize the intention of the message. So I'm going to use the AI here, and then I'll just tell AI if the message is about a question, then just click on Create. So if the AI interprets the message as a question, then it will trigger. Then just need to click Instagram here again, and then once this triggers, the chat will be sending the message that I'm going to add here. So let's just say I'm going to add, "Hi, thank you for messaging me," something like that. Okay, this is just a generic reply. Next, just click on Live, and you're done. You can just click on Preview here as well, so you know what it's going to look like. And there you go. Now you created your own flow. And that's it. So, that's basically how you can create flow in ManyChat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.